Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And welcome back to the crypto world. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Solana in Coinbase. So for those people who do not know Coinbase is a crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. All right. So in Coinbase, you guys can buy Solana and many other coin because it's a exchange so you guys can buy other crypto as well. But this video is on Solana, or it is also known as SOL or Sol coin. So let me show you guys how you guys can buy that. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And if you guys want to sign up into Coinbase, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Coinbase. And let's move on, shall we? So the first step is you want to go to coinbase.com and log in into your account. Then you want to go on trade over here. Now once you go on trade, you want to search for Solana. So you can search for Solana using the term SOL because Solana is also known as Sol. Once you're over here, you can click on Solana over here. Now once you're over here, basically it's going to take you to Solana. Now once you're over here, you can see on the buy sector over here, you can enter the amount of Solana you want to buy and you can click on preview buy over here. After you click on preview buy, it's going to show you the amount of money it's going to charge you for buying this. Then basically you can click on buy, then basically Solana will be bought. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can buy Solana in Coinbase. So it's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand and how you guys can buy Solana. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And it's me, Kevin, signing out. Thanks for watching the video until the end. If you guys want to sign up into Coinbase, you guys can use our referral link to get up to $10 bonus. Bye-bye.